Hi and welcome. In this short video, we will go through the recommended installation process for Compass pools. We will start by digging the pool. The size of the moat must be larger than the outside dimensions of the pool by 40 centimeters in each direction, including the bottom of the moat. For each model of the pool, we will provide the excavation plans. After the excavation is complete, we will fill the bottom of the moat with gravel and press it. We have performed a small experiment for you that explains why we choose to use gravel for the foundations of the pool. After placing the pool, we complete the flexible piping around the pool. We must make sure to pull the piping towards the moat floor to reduce the chance of damaging due to ground pressure. To prevent movement of the pool while filling with water, we use the wooden beams as supports in logistic places. We will add wood beams and stretch strips across the pool to maintain the structure of the pool's walls while filling with water. The process of filling water in the pool continues to a height of about 50 centimeters to establish the pool in its place and to check for leaks around the wall fittings and piping. In the refill around the pool, we will use gravel or CLSM shown in the video. When installing in an area where there is no effective drainage around the pool, we will add a 12-inch diameter pipe that reaches to the bottom of the moat. This allows the swamp pump that is placed inside the pipe to pump excess water out of the pool. We continue to fill the pool with water to complete the outer fill around the pool. While filling the pool with water and the moat with CLSM or gravel, we must ensure that the pool stays straight on all planes. When the pool is full, you can turn on the filtration systems and continue pouring CLSM or gravel around the pool. After finishing the concrete pouring around the pool, we will start paving the coping and tiles. We recommend paving with natural stone that does not get slippery and does not heat up in the sun. The installation is finished, now it's time to enjoy the pool. For those who didn't purchase a Compass pool, request your installer for a Compass installation. This will ensure your peace of mind and provide you and your family's enjoyment for the years to come. For more information and quotes, contact our authorized distributors and we will get back to you as soon as possible.